It's getting to be that time of year. You're running out of time until Christmas.
I'm gonna be a little bit short on today's quota.
You have to come up with a good gift. The good news is if you own a Shapeoko or a Nomad, you own the means of production. There are lots of great ideas out there, lots of stuff you can whip up right quick and impress people. It's time for 7 last-minute CNC gifts. Let's get an easy one out of the way. Custom charcuterie boards, because of course, meats and cheeses for the win. You can buy a Target board, an IKEA board, a cheap board somewhere and modify it. You can buy an expensive board somewhere and modify it. See Williams-Sonoma. Whatever you want to do, you can throw that in your machine right quick, come up with a great design. Do yourself a favor, test it once or maybe twice on a piece of MDF or plywood or something. If you're a little nervous about what you're running, don't run it right into your gift that is 25 minutes from needing to be wrapped up.
No! No!
All right, moving on. Necklaces or earrings. Brass or aluminum. Again, rattle can on aluminum has proven to be a pretty good combination. Go to acrylic. Try it out. Different types of acrylic, different designs. This took me less than an hour from design idea all the way to having 3 different materials made, have them on the hooks, and let people choose. Earrings are a winner any time of year. Just on a random Friday night, you too can be the hero. Number 3, a letter board, letter wall, letter ledge, whatever you want to call it. They're very popular right now. For making the ledges, that can be done on the CNC or a router table or on a table saw. The letters, well, here's where the CNC is really going to shine. Wood, acrylic, other plastics. You have so many options. Hard to even detail here, you get the idea. Another plain obvious one, a sign. Something meaningful, fun, and custom. Layers, colors, materials, favorite movies or locations. Signs are always a terrific gift no matter the time of year. Doesn't have to be Christmas. Next up, ornaments. Little stocking stuffers. Go ahead and buy a file, whether it's meant for laser or CNC. You can use that file and adapt it for your CNC machine. There's a ton to explore, lots of fun to be had with personalization and the time of year, and definitely humor. Always good to make people laugh. Color and contrast, you can take ornaments as party favors to your next holiday event. A slight variation on the earrings theme, you could make wine charms, because what are wine charms if not just earrings that go on your wine glasses? Make some custom wine charms, bring them to the next party. There's a lot to explore with wine charms or earrings for your glasses. The last one kind of jumped out at me, a wine cork holder. For all the winos in your life who want to have the corks and put them on the wall, this is more popular than I thought. Any shape, all kinds of weird possibilities, standoffs, monograms, people's names. You can have shelves built in. You could use 8-quarter wood or maybe multiple layers. Again, design possibilities off the charts. Whatever you want to do to make this an exceptional product. I think it's one of those big, easy wins, not a complicated item on your end. There's some ideas. If you're running behind either for Christmas or not, you can definitely make stuff on your Shapeoko, on your Nomad, be a hero, express yourself, make people laugh, and enjoy the CNC products that you've made. We'll be back in the studio with more information, ideas, and inspiration.